Pizza. This simple word evokes a universal feeling of joy and satisfaction. It's more than just food, it's a symbol of togetherness and celebration. From the bustling streets of Naples, where it all began, to the cozy corners of our homes, pizza has conquered hearts and stomachs worldwide. It's a dish that transcends borders and cultures, bringing people together in a shared love for its deliciousness. Its beauty lies in its simplicity: a crispy crust, a tangy sauce, and a medley of toppings, all baked to perfection. Each bite is a harmonious blend of flavors and textures, a testament to the art of pizza making. But have you ever wondered about the magic that happens behind the scenes, transforming humble ingredients into a culinary masterpiece? The journey from raw dough to a mouth-watering pizza is a fascinating process. Join me as we embark on a delicious journey to uncover the secrets of the modern pizza-making process. We'll explore the evolution of pizza from its traditional roots to its contemporary forms. We'll step inside a state-of-the-art pizza factory where automation and human expertise combine to create pizzas on a grand scale. Here, technology meets tradition, ensuring each pizza is crafted to perfection. We'll witness the mesmerizing dance of dough as it transforms from a simple mixture into a blank canvas for culinary creativity. The process is both an art and a science, requiring precision and passion. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover the fascinating world of pizza production. From the selection of the finest ingredients to the final bake, every step is a testament to the enduring love for pizza. Our journey begins in the heart of the pizza factory, the dough-making station. Here, massive stainless steel mixers stand ready to transform humble ingredients into the very foundation of our beloved pizza. Flour, water, yeast, a touch of salt, and a drizzle of olive oil are carefully measured and added to the mixer. The mixer whirs to life, its powerful paddles mimicking the kneading action of skilled hands. As the ingredients combine, gluten develops, giving the dough its signature elasticity and chew. The dough is then gently transferred to a warm, humid environment where it undergoes a crucial process called fermentation. This allows the yeast to work its magic, producing tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide that give the dough its airy texture. After its cozy fermentation slumber, the dough is ready for its transformation into pizza crusts. It's moved to a specialized machine that presses the dough into perfectly uniform discs. This ensures that every pizza has the same thickness and texture. Next, the dough travels on a conveyor belt, entering a series of rollers that gently stretch and shape it into the desired size and thickness. These rollers are carefully calibrated to achieve the perfect balance between a thin, crispy crust and a slightly chewy center. The once shapeless mass of dough has now become a blank canvas, ready to receive its delicious toppings. Now comes the fun part, adding the toppings. The stretched dough glides along the conveyor belt, entering the topping station. Here, a well-coordinated team of workers, armed with ladles, shakers, and a keen eye for detail, springs into action. First, a generous layer of vibrant tomato sauce is evenly spread across the dough, creating a tangy base for the symphony of flavors to come. Next, shredded mozzarella cheese, the soul of any good pizza, is generously sprinkled, blanketing the sauce in a creamy white layer. Then, a vibrant array of toppings is added, each chosen to create a specific flavor profile. Section 5. Inferno's Embrace, baking pizzas to perfection. Our pizza, now adorned with its colorful toppings, embarks on the next stage of its journey, the fiery inferno of the industrial oven. These ovens, often reaching temperatures of over 500 degrees Fahrenheit, are engineered to bake pizzas quickly and evenly. As the pizzas glide through the oven on a conveyor belt, the intense heat works its magic. The crust puffs up and turns a beautiful golden brown. The cheese melts into gooey perfection, and the toppings release their tantalizing aromas. The entire baking process takes only a matter of minutes, a testament to the efficiency of these high-powered ovens. Section 6, From Oven to Table, the final touches. Emerging from the oven, the pizzas are a symphony of sights and smells. Golden brown crusts, glistening with melted cheese and vibrant toppings. But the journey isn't over yet. Before they can be enjoyed, the pizzas must undergo a few final steps. First, they are gently guided onto a cooling rack, where they are met with a blast of cool air. This rapid cooling helps helps to set the cheese and toppings, preventing them from sliding off the crust. Once cooled, the pizzas are ready for slicing. A circular blade effortlessly divides each pizza into equal slices, ensuring that every serving is picture perfect. Section 7. Guardians of taste and safety, hygiene, and quality control. Throughout the entire pizza-making process, hygiene and quality control are paramount. The factory adheres to the strictest industry standards, ensuring that every pizza that leaves the facility is safe, delicious, and of the highest quality. Workers are required to wear hairnets, gloves, and clean uniforms to prevent any contamination. Surfaces are regularly sanitized, and ingredients are carefully inspected to ensure freshness. Quality control technicians are stationed at various points along the production line, meticulously checking for any imperfections and ensuring that each pizza meets the company's high standards. Section 8. A slice of happiness. The joys of working in a pizza factory. Working in a pizza factory is more than just a job. It's an opportunity to be a part of something special, to bring joy to people's lives one slice at a time. The fast-paced, dynamic environment keeps things interesting, and the camaraderie among team members is undeniable. Plus, let's not forget the perks. Employees often enjoy competitive salaries and benefits packages, and who can resist the allure of being surrounded by delicious pizza all day long? Many factories even offer employee discounts or free pizza, making it a delicious and rewarding place to work. Section 9. From factory to kitchen, mastering the art of pizza making. While the efficiency and scale of a pizza factory are impressive, there's a certain satisfaction that comes from creating your own pizza from scratch. The process of making pizza at home allows you to connect with the ingredients and the art of cooking in a way that mass production simply can't replicate. The good news is that you don't need a state-of-the-art facility to achieve delicious results. In fact, some of the best pizzas come from the simplest of kitchens, where the focus is on quality ingredients and personal touch. With a few basic ingredients, some simple equipment, and a dash of creativity, you can become a pizza master in your own kitchen. All you need is flour, water, yeast, and salt to start your dough, and from there, the possibilities are endless. The key to a great pizza lies in the crust, and with a little practice, you can master the art of dough making. Kneading the dough by hand allows you to feel the texture and consistency, ensuring that your crust will be perfect every time. From there, the possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different types of flour, hydration levels, and fermentation times to create a crust that is uniquely yours. Let your imagination run wild as you experiment with different sauces, cheeses, and toppings, creating flavor combinations that tantalize your taste buds. Whether you prefer a classic margarita or a bold BBQ chicken pizza, the choice is yours. Enjoy the journey of mastering the art of pizza making, one delicious slice at a time. Section 10. Unleash your inner pizzaiolo tips and tricks for home cooks. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, these tips will elevate your pizza making game. Ready to embark on your pizza making adventure? Let's dive into the essentials that will transform your homemade pizza into a culinary masterpiece. Here are a few tips and tricks to help you achieve pizzeria quality results in your own kitchen. From choosing the right ingredients to mastering the perfect bake. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flours. The type of flour you use can significantly impact the texture and flavor of your crust. While all-purpose flour works well, using a combination of flours such as bread flour or semolina flour can add flavor and texture to your crust. Bread flour gives a chewy texture, while semolina adds a slight crunch. Let your dough rise in a warm, draft-free place. This step is crucial for developing the dough's structure and flavor. This will allow the yeast to work its magic, creating a light and airy crust. Patience is key here. Give your dough enough time to rise properly. Preheat your oven to the highest temperature possible. A hot oven is essential for achieving that perfect crispy crust. This will help to create a crispy crust and ensure that your toppings are cooked to perfection. A pizza stone or steel can also help in retaining heat and cooking the pizza evenly. Don't overload your pizza with toppings. While it might be tempting to pile on your favorite ingredients, moderation is key. Too many toppings can make your crust soggy. The moisture from the toppings can seep into the dough, preventing it from becoming crispy. A few well-chosen ingredients will create a more balanced and flavorful pizza. Think quality over quantity. Fresh, high-quality ingredients will always shine through. Section 11. Join the pizza revolution, a world of flavor awaits. Pizza is more than just a food. It's a blank canvas for culinary creativity, a symbol of togetherness, and a source of pure, unadulterated joy. Whether you're enjoying a slice from your favorite pizzeria or crafting your own masterpiece at home, the world of pizza offers endless possibilities for exploration and enjoyment. So gather your ingredients, fire up your oven, and unleash your inner pizzaiolo. The world of flavor awaits.